Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. In my previous video, I've been showing you that BitTorrent formed a very big falling wedge pattern and broke it out, and after that, it formed another falling wedge pattern. And the bigger falling wedge pattern was formed on a weekly time frame chart. This was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my previous videos. And in fact, when it was moving inside this wedge and the movement was quite squeezed, in those days I shared several videos with you, and I told you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out from this wedge, and after breaking out this wedge, we can expect a very massive rally. And the target for this breakout was here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 220 to 255, and you can see that the price, and after hitting that target, formed first it formed this wedge that I was showing you in the previous video, and after that, after breaking out this wedge, it reached this target, and now recently it has formed another falling wedge pattern. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then this new formation of the wedge is more visible, and previous wedge was this one that I was showing you in my previous video, my last video. And you can see that after the breakout, we had another very nice pump. And in today's video, we will analyze the new wedge formation. And by the way, from this note to here, you can see that so far BitTorrent has rallied more than 511%. And there is a probability that we may catch another pump after breaking out this wedge, and we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared, by the way, in the month of Feb, on 11th of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that BitTorrent formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal from this buying on. First, it read the sell targets on here, dropped down again. Then we had a very massive bull run. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here, in my previous videos, I was showing you this wedge, and I was telling you that after breaking out this wedge, we can catch another pump of BitTorrent, and target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 160.0000 and 05 times 0. $160. And over there we have a lot of resistance as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that previously back in the month of Feb 2022, it had been working at a very strong support, and here again it worked at the resistance, and you can see that we had a long spike but could not break out this resistance, and again dropped down. And now recently we have formed another falling wedge pattern. By the way, this time again we have broken down this very significant support zone that was from 115 to 108. And now, even after breaking out this wedge, we will still need to break out this resistance zone. Then we can expect a move to the upside to hit the target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern. And by the way, in case of breaking down this wedge, the target to the downside will be here at this long-term support of 50. And in case of breaking out this wedge, then I'm expecting that soon it can break it out, because it's a bullish path pattern, and you can see that it is breaking out every wedge one after another. Therefore, there is a probability that this time it may break out this wedge as well. And the target for the breakout from this wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge again at 220. And I'm expecting that after breaking out this wedge, it can also hit this highest resistance for BitTorrent, that is here at 255 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.